Asarum europaeum. Alensky notes European snake root family Aristolochiaceae. Nervous, anxious people, excitable or melancholy. Imagines he is hovering in the air like a spirit. Lightness of all the limbs. Cold shivers from any emotion. Oversensitiveness of nerves, stretching of linen or silk, crackling of paper is unbearable. Sensation as if ears were plugged up with some foreign substance. When reading, sensation in eyes as if they would be pressed under or outward, relieved by bathing them in cold water. Cold air or cold water very pleasant to the eyes. Sunshine, light and wind are intolerable. Nausea in attacks or constant aggravation after eating, tongue clean of pregnancy. Unconquerable longing for alcohol, a popular remedy in Russia for drunkards. Horrible sensation of pressing, digging in the stomach when walking in the morning. Great faintness and constant yawning. Relations similar to causticum in modalities to aloe argentum nitricum, podophyllum pulsatilla sulfuric acid in stringy, shreddy stools. Aggravation in cold and dry or clear, fine weather. Amelioration washing face or bathing affected parts with cold water in damp, wet weather. Followed by bismuth, causticum, pulsatilla sulfuric acid. Asarum europaeum, European snake root, Boric materia medica. A remedy for nervous affections, loss of energy with excessive erethism, scratching on silk or linen or paper unbearable, pains and spasmodic muscular actions, nervous stiffness and asthenopia. Cold shivers from any emotion, feels as if parts were pressed together. Tension and contractive sensation, always feels cold. Mind, thoughts vanish, withdrawing pressure in forehead, sensibility increased even from mere imagination. Head, compressive pain, tension of scalp, hair painful, coryza with sneezing. Eyes, feel stiff, burn, feel cold, better in cold air or water, worse sunlight and wind, darting pains in eyes after operations, asthenopia. Ears, sensation as if plugged up, catarrh with deafness, heat of external ear, noises. Stomach, loss of appetite, flatulence, eructation and vomiting. Desire for alcoholic drinks. Smoking tobacco taste is bitter. Nausea, worse after eating. Clean tongue, great faintness, accumulation of cold, watery saliva. Rectum, strings of odorless yellow mucus pass from bowels, diarrhea of tough mucus, undigested stools, prolapse. Female, menses too early, long lasting, black, violent pain in small of back, tenacious yellow euphoria. Respiratory, nervous hacking cough, short respiration, back, paralytic pain in muscles of nape of neck, weakness with staggering. Fever, chilliness, single parts get icy cold, easily excited perspiration. Modalities, worse in cold dry weather, penetrating sounds, better from washing in damp and wet weather. Relationship, compare Ipecac, especially in diarrhea, Cilicia, Nux vomica, China. Dose, third to sixth potency.